Igama lami nginguthabile kaMchunu, ngi-resident engineer under Ibhongo construction. We're busy with the project Estcourt at the 69 Imatamo River Bridge. The project is emakhaya. I-issue ebekhona before bekuthi i-bridge ebelikhona was too low, whereby bekuba nenkinga yokuthi bacross abantu during ama-rainy seasons. La esayithini i-project esenzayo is a bridge, 23-meter long bridge with approaches, earthworks. So leli bridge esilakhaya manje is a bit higher and a bit longer than the original bridge. We're actually doing a last portion of a 3-kilometer road that was gravel before. Most of the sections you see on tar road, khona nama-speed humps, nama-guardrails and everything, so it's now safer for a community ukuthi inyuke iye phezulu kwezolisha area. Le project ilindeleke ukuba ibe nama-local employment opportunities, more than 50 individuals, kuba nama-subcontractors ayi-17. So into ebaluleke kakhulu i-safety. Into eyona nto esiyibheke kakhulu ngesikhathi sisebenza, so sine-safety agent, safety connections, who's responsible ukuthi monitor, manage i-safety kuwo wonke ama-contractors, from main contractor to all ama-subcontractors.